Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vitamin C Night Cream. First, start with a clean canvas. Gently cleanse your face to remove all makeup and daily grime. Follow up with a mild toner to prepare your skin. It's important that your skin is completely dry before moving to the next step. This ensures maximum absorption of the cream's beneficial ingredients, setting the stage for a radiant morning. Now, let's talk application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of your Vitamin C Night Cream. This is usually enough for your entire face. Gently dot the cream onto your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Then, using soft, upward circular motions, massage it into your skin. Be sure to cover your neck and décolletage too, as these areas often show signs of aging. Timing is key for optimal results. Apply your Vitamin C Night Cream as the very last step in your evening skincare routine after any serums or treatments. Give it a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin before you go to bed. This prevents the product from rubbing off on your pillow. Consistent nightly use will help you achieve a brighter, more even complexion over time. Using Vitamin C Night Cream offers fantastic benefits. It works overnight to brighten your skin, diminish the appearance of dark spots, and even out your skin tone. Plus, it helps boost your skin's natural collagen production, leading to a firmer, more youthful look. Remember to store your cream properly, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its powerful ingredients.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.